So, hi guys. Today this is going to be the conversation of my newsletter. As a young person, you get to be passionate and you're talking about things like social impact. You're listening to what Dr. Williams is saying and you're like gingering. You have those things that are passionate to you in your heart and you really want to do them. So, you get to have an NGO, or you have like a community group, or you have whatever it is, an organization. I realized that a lot of us, because of the buzzwords we hear, especially coming from the West, we then start saying future economic opportunities, social enterprise, boosting local economy. We have so many sustainable education, sustainable development. All these are buzzwords. Of course, they are buzzwords. When I was in a meeting, like a training yesterday, and we were doing peer support, like organizations were sharing their what their mission, their vision, the activities they are doing, and we're asked to be very concise and succinct. And I realized, oh my God, while I gave my peers review of what they were doing, like in terms of, are you very clear about what you are doing? I was like, wait a minute, we do a lot of we have a lot of buzzwords. So if I say, oh, I want to make healthcare accessible to coastal communities, what do I mean? Like, how am I doing it, for universal health coverage, this. To the everyday man, what does that mean? And because I'm dealing with the everyday man, not all the time I'm dealing with, big people. Sometimes they don't even want those buzzwords. They want simple and clear words. So how do I translate the activities I'm doing, whether in environment, whether in health, whether in education? How do I translate that to the everyday man so that when he asks, what's Simadi about? What's your organization about? What's your activism about? You can clearly state what you are doing. So I realize we use a lot of buzzwords, and sometimes buzzwords can be very confusing. So as a young person, if you know you are setting out, even in public health, what are you trying to do? How are you explaining this to people every day? And I think that also shapes the way we tell our stories of the work we are doing, not the output, not just the output, the outcomes of it. Not just only the immediate ones, but also